What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am joined by my beautiful sister Lisa. Some of y'all might not know this, but hurts to say, but she really put me on to anime. I'm not gonna lie.
I sure did. Even though he is way into it now more than me, I can say that I cured his depression and brought him happiness with the joy of anime.
For real, it's my life now. Look at this. Look, like, I got everything, okay? Ugh.
And now he's introducing me to shows, which...
And what better show to put it on than Chainsaw Man. It's part of the Dark Trio. She loved Jujutsu Kaisen, and I was like, you love Jujutsu Kaisen? Chainsaw Man's part of the Dark Trio. We are also doing the third show at some point after Hell's Paradise, so she's ready for the second season of that, the movie of Chainsaw Man. Like I'm about to put her on to what some may call peak, because it is.
Well, I can say I know how he feels to want someone to watch a show that you really enjoy, because I try to put him on Attack on Titan for months and he literally would not watch it. He's like, no, and I'm like, can you please watch it, because I didn't have anyone else to watch anime with, especially Attack on Titan. Like, I had nobody to talk to about it with, so I was like trying to get him to watch it and he refused.
I called it trash. I said it was ass. I said everything about it, and now it's my #1 anime. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm putting it up there. You ain't gonna tell me One Piece is better. Don't even say nothing like that. One Piece ain't nowhere close.
And he only watched it because his homeboy was like, man, this anime is so good. He's like, all right, I'll check it out, after I've been begging him for months to freaking watch it. But he did, so we got to at least watch the last couple seasons together.
And the specials, those specials hit.
Yeah, so let's see if this is, because he's hyping this show up a lot. So
everybody knows Chainsaw Man is where it's at right now. Probably one of the best new gen, especially when it's all said and done. It's gonna be up there 100%.
And I'm like kind of specific on anime, because there's certain ones that I like. There's some that he watches and I really can't get into it. So I'm afraid that's what this is. Like, he likes it, but I might not just get into it. But I'm gonna give it a chance.
Yeah, I tried to put her on 86. She said that shit was ass.
No, I didn't.
But she ain't watching.
I haven't finished it, but I'm...
Doesn't like 86. Doesn't like ReZero. One of the best isekais out, especially right now.
Oh, I didn't finish that one either, but...
Prime example. Anyway.
That's a prime example of what he likes. I don't always like.
But
maybe because he hyped it up too much, so technically it's his fault. Blame him.
I only hype up the best, but hopefully she can get into this. This is one of the best shows out, well, from last year. So let's get started. Dog and Chainsaw, episode 1.
Does this show have jump scares?
No.
Ugh.
He's just a poor man living in a shed.
Spoiler.
I mean, you see him in the shed right there.
What?
Sometimes it gets that bad.
残りの借金が3804万円。悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。
Wait, so are they just all monsters or something? Like,
they are devil hunters.
So that's usually how their pets look, like that? Like... Oh my gosh, the booby shot. Every single anime that you tell me to watch, there's always booby shots, and I'm like, what is up with that?
That's almost every anime. There's the only anime that I think hasn't had fan service was Attack on Titan. I think that's like the only anime that's never had fan service.
I don't think Hunter x Hunter had that. Oh, maybe it did. What's that girl's name with the pigtails? Did it do that with her?
The pigtails.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。おざっす。
そっから借金と利子引いて17万。
この7万から水道代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払う。今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。ポチタ、今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね。
それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
この間聞いたんだけどさ、普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし。
In my life.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
お前も死ぬのか。
腹減って眠れねえ。寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして。
It's not good.
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
What the heck?
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
デビルハンター君。
What are you thinking so far?
I don't even know. How does he still live after this? His poor little pet. He's so cute. How does that help him though? Oh, I'm so sad.
俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。
Oh, so he's the only hunter that has
悪魔
taken
には
in
死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
like that devil pet or whatever.
Basically, yeah. Usually you don't really have devils as pets, but you can make deals with them.
普通の暮らしをして 普通の死に方をしてほしい。
Did he fuse himself with him, or is that just a...
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
傷が。
Aww.
ポチタ。
Pochito's a real one.
For real, I'm gonna cry about that.
やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんな。
もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか。
The grass ain't always greener.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Dang. Oh, so that means he's a devil now? Like he's not... He can't be a hunter no more?
Well, that's not completely the case.
Oh.
Because Pochita gave him his heart. So now his heart is that of a devil's, basically. So technically, he's not human, I guess, anymore. And those are the people that hired him, basically. Like the old dude.
Oh, so he's not gonna owe any more money then. If they're dead.
Basically, yeah. No more debt.
No more Pochita either. Oh, was that girl?
My wife.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。
だかす。
人だ。
悪魔によるノット。
私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。公安のデビルハンターなんだ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に変われるか。
餌って。最高じゃないっすか。
So she's treating him like a pet, basically? What it seemed like.
I mean, kinda. So, how she said she's a devil hunter with public safety. Meaning they're kind of like with the government. What he was doing, he was kind of like a freelancer, like working independently.
Well.
Oh, and the cool thing about this show, I don't think any other show has ever did it. Every episode has a different ending. Like, you know how Jujutsu Kaisen, every episode ended with him like walking and the same song. Each one has a different little video and a different song at the ending. So I thought that was really cool. And I think it's like the only show I've seen that does that.
I mean, I'm kind of intrigued. The first episode wasn't bad.
But it doesn't give you a lot of information. Or...
I think that's the point. Because they want you to watch the next episode.
And look who animated.
So you have this plushie and he's dead?
Technically, he's not dead. I mean, He's
He's just in his mind now. Like they communicate through his heart or what?
I don't know. He's just with them and
That's
right in
actually
here.
pretty sad. I would cry for Pochita because he was so cute. Justice for him.
But yeah, I really like this show a lot. It's really good. It starts going a bit more into depth about like how their world works. Technically, this first one was just introducing Denji, his terrible, sad backstory of being orphaned and then his dad committing suicide and basically
Dad is wrong for that, for giving him all that debt too.
yeah, he left him to the Yakuza basically to fend for himself.
Mm-hmm.
But
Like that. Show's pretty good though. I want to see episode 2 for sure, just to see what's gonna happen and what this girl does that you're so upset with.
she's just beautiful. I think she's like the perfect anime girl besides Maki, from JJK, and Mitsuri from Demon Slayer.
Besides all his other side hoes.
But I can't really pick a top one, but Makima might be up there. But
She's the only one you have a tattoo of though.
so far. But actually, I heard today, so actually Jujutsu Kaisen and Chainsaw Man, both the directors left Mappa Studio. They are no longer associated with Mappa. They both left their studio to go start their own animation studios.
I'm about to say I don't know what that means.
Like the people that made Jujutsu Kaisen,
Yeah.
like all their animators were under Mappa. But they left now. They don't work for Mappa no more. Now they have their own studio, so basically I feel like they'll be more taken care of, basically treated way better.
Oh, I see what you mean.
And now they don't have to worry about, oh, Mappa, they're taking all these adaptations, and now I guess they'll solely be working on Jujutsu Kaisen, their studio. But
Okay.
so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like,
Wait.
comment.
My rating for this episode out of a 10, I would give it a solid 8 because I'm interested, even though they killed, was it Pochita? But he did it for good reason. He's such a good little pet. But I am interested in it, so I can usually tell by the first episode if I want to keep watching. So
That's a pretty good rating. I was expecting a
It
little
is.
bit lower because since it didn't give like too much like info on the world besides there's devils running around and people kill them.
but that's all they needed was that one part to happen, him being on the verge of death and him being saved by the devil pet. And so that was pretty cool. So that's honestly what kind of got my attention. It's like, oh, okay.
I have a feeling she's gonna like this one. It's only 12 episodes. She only got 11 left. Don't even have a release date for the movie yet, so she'll definitely be caught up by then. But if you like this, remember to like, comment any other shows that you would want us to watch.
Also, I'm really into K-pop and K-dramas. So if y'all have any recommendations for me to show him, or if y'all would like to see something of him reacting to K-pop or any K-dramas, I did introduce him to True Beauty.
I did watch that. That anime is coming out sometime
And
this
they're
year.
making an anime of that. So that's cool. That's something I would want to watch too. But even anything of that nature, you can comment and he can react to it. So yeah, just let us know.
Let us know. Y'all have a good day, a good week. And remember, always watch anime. Peace.